Hello, Shanghai. What's up, Sean? I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay. Yeah, I just got the dinner. You can see the dinner. But what you don't really know is that looks crazy to me. I'm a little bit scared. I'm like, what is that? What is that? What is that? Oh, crap. See, that's what you do. Oh, God dang it. That's why I've been bringing that thing over there. Now, look at me. Slob. Oh, this is terrible. Oh, gosh. All right, well, that's going to have to get cleaned up for reals in a minute. It's like purple. It's very dark in here, too. You probably can't tell what's going on, but... Tastes like a vegetable, but it looks like a sea monster. Its legs. Oh, man. Like, not knowing what stuff is for some reason, it plays tricks on your mind. That's so weird. You know what? You know what I bet that is? What was it called? Was that eggplant, you think? Why would they cut it into little slices that look like that, though? It doesn't. It kind of tastes like eggplant, so it's eggplant. This meat looks different. This is definitely, I've not had this meat. I'm going to drop it again. I have not had that meat, whatever that is. It's a straight up bone. They seem to be really good at seasoning stuff. Well, and I'm not so good at eating it. Well, all right. Well, I feel like that's duck for some reason. Like that just looks ducky. This is a ride of the duckies over here. So I'm gonna ride on, get my little duck factory going. I'm gonna call Howard, let him know how his cousin is. All right, peace.